Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we are studied density of FCC unit cell, density of BCC unit cell, and density of simple cubic unit cell. In this lecture, we are going to study crystal defects or imperfections. Any real or naturally occurring crystalline substance do not have perfect crystal structure because they have some disorder or irregularities due to constituent particles of crystal are displaced from one place to another place. They have some disorder in stacking of atoms. Therefore, such a irregularities is formed in the crystal. Defects are created due to process of crystallization. Sometimes defects arises due to process of heating. Sometimes crystal defects are introduced in the crystal for modification of properties. For example, stainless steel. In stainless steel, defects is introduced due to modification of properties of iron. There are then types of defects in crystal. We have studied point defect. First is point defect, that is stoichiometric point defect. What is meant by stoichiometry? Chemical formula of compound shows fixed number of cations and anions or ions. This fixed ratio of stoichiometry is not changed, that is remains constant. There are four types of stoichiometric point defect. First is vacancy defect. In vacancy defect, some particles or some atoms displace, or they are due to here vacancy defect arises due to vacancy created by some atoms. Therefore, in vacancy defect, density of crystal decreases because here two atoms are missing their position. Therefore, mass of the crystal decreases but volume does not changes. Therefore, in vacancy defect, density of the crystal decreases. Then next is self-interstitial defect. In self-interstitial defect, in case of vacancy defect, there are here two atoms or ions are miss their position, but in this case, in self-interstitial defect, only some atoms or ions are displace their position, only change their position and acquire interstitial position. Therefore, in case of here two extra particles are added at the interstitial position. Therefore, density in self-interstitial defect increases due to this extra two particles which acquire interstitial position. Then second way, there are two ways for expressing self-interstitial defect. One is two extra particles are added. Due to this, density of crystal increases. But in case of second way, we can express self-interstitial defect. Here, one particle is miss their position and acquire interstitial position. Therefore, here extra particle does not added in the crystal. only position of one atom or ion is changes from its regular position to interstitial position. Therefore, in this case, density of crystal does not increases or decreases, because only displacement of position of atom or ion from one place to another place, that is interstitial place. Therefore, here density of crystal remains as it is. Then third type is Schottky defect. In Schottky defect, here this defect is formed in a crystal which having smaller atomic size or ionic size. For example, in case of NaCl, in case of silver bromide, cations and anions having nearly equal size. In such a case, Schottky defect arises. In Schottky defect, one cation create vacancy, that is cation is miss their position but not acquire interstitial position, and one cation and one anion is also miss their position. Therefore, electrically crystal is neutral, because same number of cations and same number of anions miss their regular position and create vacancy. Here two holes are formed due to one cation vacancy and one anion vacancy. In this case, one cation and one anion miss their position. Therefore, density of crystal decreases, mass decreases due to missing one cation and one anion. Therefore, density decreases but volume does not changes. Therefore, density of crystal decreases in Schottky defect. Schottky defect arises in case of ionic solids. In ionic solid, there is presence of cation and anion, and cation and anion having nearly equal size. In such a case, Schottky defect arises. Example of Schottky defect: NaCl, sodium chloride, silver bromide and potassium chloride. In Frankel defect, fourth is Frankel defect. In case of Frankel defect, vacancy created by only cation, because cation having smaller size, therefore cations having smaller size than anion, therefore it is easily introduced in interstitial position. Here two cations acquire interstitial position and create two vacancy. These are the two vacancy created by the two cations. Generally, cation displaces from its regular position or original position to the interstitial position, because cation having smaller size than anion, therefore it is easily introduced in the interstitial site. Example of Frankel defect are silver bromide, silver iodide, zinc sulfide, calcium fluoride shows Frankel defect. Now question arises: in Frankel defect, density of crystal increases or decreases? Here in Frankel defect, number of cations and anions does not decreases. Two cations only placed at interstitial position. Therefore, density of crystal does not decreases or does not increases. Density of crystal remains same. One result of Frankel defect is that Frankel defect arises only when cation is smaller and anion is larger. That is, larger difference between ionic size. In such a case, Frankel defect is arises. Then next is next point in consequences of Frankel defect. Here two cations only displace their position, therefore our crystal is electrically neutral, because here two cations only change their position from original position and they acquire interstitial position, therefore crystal is electrically neutral. Then next point in a next lecture.